forecast. News 18. Weather from where you live.
Well, one wave of rain has come through this evening. Now other showers are developing, kind of bands of showers developing to our southwest and moving into the viewing area. But the low pressure, the center of the storm system, the surface low is about right here. It will deepen pretty rapidly over the next few hours as it rounds the bend and tracks up towards Rensselaer. And with that, some of these bands of showers you see developing here may have an isolated rumble of thunder. And some of these may get kind of gusty. I wouldn't be a bit surprised if a couple of these showers produce wind gusts of more than 40 miles an hour as they come through. Again, the center is here and it's going to round the bend that way. And as this deepens, the severe weather threat is going to ramp up to the south. You can already see all the tornado warnings in northern Mississippi right now. We don't have to worry about severe weather, but there's going to be a lot of gustiness tonight and into tomorrow. But what's interesting also is the Arctic air headed our way. This is actually remnants of a super typhoon that hit down towards the Philippines. And what this is doing is anytime you get a big storm like this in eastern Siberia or the Bering Sea area, when this moves this way, it can dislodge Arctic air southward. And that's exactly what's happening. So you get a storm here, puts a ridge in Alaska, and then it bumps a little chunk of cold air. And that cold air is on the move southward and will bring us unseasonably cold weather at the very end of the week. Lows tonight, mid to upper 40s as the wind increases. We'll be in mid 40s tomorrow morning. A lot of wind, patchy drizzle, a few showers. Then that ends, a little sun, a little partial clearing tomorrow afternoon and evening with a high of 52 degrees. So to vote tomorrow, a high of 52. The only issue is just going to be the wind, and then during the morning hours, a little bit of drizzle, a few showers around. Lunchtime, we start to get breaks in the clouds, upper 40s, and then a nice clearing trend around dinner time. But there's your wind. Notice as the low deepens tonight, notice how these winds go up. Some of these little bands of showers may have wind gusts easily 35, 40 miles an hour. A couple isolated gusts more than 40. Those will rotate through. And then even tomorrow morning, still pretty gusty. Notice these winds 35, 40, 43 miles an hour at times, all from a west-southwesterly direction. And then the winds will gradually relax tomorrow evening with highs tomorrow upper 40s to low 50s area wide. On Wednesday, not as windy, still kind of breezy, sunshine, a high around 50 after mid-30s in the morning with generally temperatures 40s to low 50s for highs area wide. Let's track this. Here's precision cast. Again, the drizzle and few spotty showers tomorrow morning end, and then you see the clearing trend tomorrow afternoon. Wednesday looks fine, but then do changes start happening late week. Thursday evening, some rain comes in. Here comes the Arctic front. May end as a little bit of snow Thursday night, Friday morning, and then some scattered snow showers Friday into Friday night. Wouldn't rule out the grass being whitened in places. Notice 7-day forecast. Winter is coming in a big way. Windy 35 on Friday. Down to 18 Saturday night, only 36 on Saturday. Wind chills in some places could, be 8 to about 12 on Saturday morning, then back to 44 on Monday. It's only early November, but this is an initial pretty big punch of cold air coming in.
Yeah, and those lows at the end of the week aren't looking too hot, if you know what I mean.